Hello, today I'm here to introduce you to the common persimmon, which is this tree right behind me. And the common persimmon's scientific name is Diospyros virginiana. It is in the Eboniaceae family, and it is a deciduous tree that typically has a round-shaped crown. It'll get to approximately 60 feet in height, and it grows in various types of habitats, including longleaf pine, sandhills, prairies, dry forests, floodplains, and generally areas that have been disturbed. It also prefers its growing conditions to have full sun or partial shade. The leaves of the common persimmon are going to be simple and arranged in an alternate arrangement. They're going to be about 2.5 to 5 inches long and oblong to oval in shape. And the margins of these leaves are going to be entire. The top of the leaf is going to be this very bright green color, and the bottom is going to be a much paler, sort of greenish white color. In the fall, this tree is extremely showy with its foliage, and these leaves will begin to turn orange, yellow, and even red. Another thing that you may notice is pretty common on the common persimmon are these black spots on the leaves. And these black spots are caused by leaf spot disease, which can lead to a premature defoliation of the common persimmon tree. The twigs of these trees are going to be this light brown to gray color, and they're going to be pubescent or even sometimes scabrous to the touch. The buds are going to be small and triangular in shape. The color is going to be a very dark red to black, and they will be oppressed to the twig. The common persimmon will begin to flower in the late spring to early summer, and it is a dioecious species, meaning you're going to have male and female trees. These flowers are going to be greenish-white, and they're going to be shaped like small urns. For a male tree, you're going to find these flowers in clusters of 3, whereas for a female tree, these flowers are going to be solitary. In the mid to late fall, fruit are going to start to mature. And these fruits are going to be round berries, about 1 to 2 inches in diameter, and they're going to start out green, later turning orange to black once they begin to ripen. They're also going to have these very green leafy bracts on the top of them. Now, this fruit is edible for humans, and it is quite sweet. However, you want to make sure that you eat them when they're completely ripe, meaning that they should be soft and very wrinkled. Because if you eat an unripe fruit, it's going to be extremely astringent due to the large amount of tannins that are in them. And so this is going to cause an unpleasant, dry to fuzzy feeling in your mouth. The bark of a young common persimmon tree is going to be gray-brown, and it's going to have these very distinct fissures all along it that are orange inside of them. Meanwhile, the bark of a fully mature common persimmon tree is going to be much darker in color, and you're going to notice that these fissures have become much deeper, turning the bark into very thick, square-shaped, blocky scales. That is everything I have for you today on the common persimmon, and I will see you next time with a different tree species to introduce to you.